IMAN Cosmetics is a proud partner of the new Proud Mary movie premiering in January 2018. I'm excited to show you a beauty look using IMAN Cosmetics inspired by Proud Mary the movie. It's super beginner friendly and affordable. There are 5 new matte lipsticks that were inspired by the Proud Mary movie. I'm going to quickly show you swatches of each color. This first shade is Undercover. The second shade is Fate. The third shade is Naked Truth. The fourth shade is Outlaw. And the last shade, which is a shade I'm going to wear today, is Assassin. The formula is long lasting, they are non-drying, and they're also super affordable. So along with the lipsticks, there are also 3 new luxury highlighters. They're super creamy and easy to apply. I'm going to show you guys swatches. So the first one is Glamour Girl. It's like a pinky color. The second color is Gold Digger. It's a really pretty gold color. And then the last color is Hot Shot, which is a really deep red bronzy color. So along with those new products, I'm also going to be showing you some other IMAN products as well. So if you would like to see, just keep watching. I have already primed my face and I've also already done my eyebrows. So I'm going to jump right into my foundation. So I'm going to use the IMAN Stick Foundation and I am in the shade Earth 1. This is literally my perfect shade. It fits me to a T. That's one of the things that I really appreciate about this brand is that they really make sure that there's a shade for everyone, for every melanin shade, for every single type of chocolate girl there is. IMAN has your shade. And this stick foundation is great for oily or combination skin because it has like a really soft matte finish. I also really like that it is easy to blend on my skin. It doesn't dry fast. It's really movable and easy to spread. And it gives me a really nice, even and flawless complexion. So next I'm going to use the 2-in-1 Concealing Foundation by IMAN under my eyes, and I'm going to use the shade Clay 4, which is just about 1 shade lighter than my complexion. And yes, this product doubles as a concealer and a foundation, so you can use it all over as a foundation or you can use it as a spot concealer. And I'm just going to use it under my eyes to brighten my eyes a little bit and to give them some life. I really like this foundation concealer duo because it's not too heavy, so if you don't like a lot of coverage under your eyes or in your concealer areas, you don't have to worry about it being too cakey. It very seamlessly like meshes into your skin. I also feel like it's very easy to blend, which a lot of concealers, especially drugstore concealers, are not that easy to blend. So next to set under my eyes, I'm going to use the Luxury Translucent Powder, and it has like a brown tint to it, but once it gets in contact with your makeup, it basically seamlessly blends in. And you can use it to set your foundation all around. You can use it to set your foundation under your eyes, and it's great for combination or oily skin because it really helps to mattify your foundation or your concealer and keep it in place all day. I love using translucent powders that have a tint to them just to make sure that I don't have that weird white cast, and I feel like this one really helps to just blend in my makeup and bring it all together. So I'm not going to contour or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and use the bronzer, and this bronzer actually has some blush in it as well, so you can kind of use it as a highlighting bronzer just to add some color and some overall depth to your face. It gives you that nice bronzy glow without being too heavy or too shimmery or too dark on your skin. Bronzers are one of those things that are so hard to find for darker skin because most bronzers are too light, they don't show, or they just don't flatter our skin correctly, but this one I really like, and I also love that it adds that extra color into your face as well. The other really cool thing about this too is that you can just use the 2 blush colors by themselves if you want, or you could just use the bronzing color by itself, or you can mix them all like I did. It gives a really effortless bronze and blush at the same time. Highly recommend for beginners. So now that my skin is done and nice and glowy and just amazing, I'm going to move on to my eyes. There are some shadow sticks, and I personally love shadow sticks, but when I'm in a rush or when I just don't feel like doing a whole eye look, shadow sticks in my opinion are very easy to use and they're very beginner friendly. The shadow look that I'm going to show you guys today is so freaking simple. I'm first just going to take a little bit of that translucent powder that I put on under my eyes, and I'm going to apply that on my lids just to give my eyes a little base and to make the colors that I put on top of it pop a little bit better. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see me. So first I'm going to use the gold eyeshadow pencil, and I'm just going to apply this literally all over my lid. I love how creamy it is. I love how shimmery it is. Super easy to apply, and I actually really like to blend it out with my finger. It just helps the color to blend into my skin a lot better. So that's literally all I'm going gonna do to my lids, I'm going to take this other eyeshadow color in Intrigue, and it's like a lighter pink color, and I'm going to put this in the corners of my eyes just to add a little bit of highlight and to make it pop. And then last but not least for the eyes, I'm going to take the IMAN Perfect Shadow Pencil in Mystery. This is the black one. And I'm just going to apply this on my waterline as my eyeliner. So going back to my face really quick, I'm going to take the IMAN Luxury Highlighter in the shade Gold Digger, and I'm just going to apply this on the high points of my face. This is a very subtle highlighter, so if you like that highlighter that pops or that blinds people, this is not going to give that to you, but I feel like it gives a nice natural glow. So if you're going for a more everyday look or like a work look or something that just gives you a little bit of enhancement without being too much, then you'll like this. Okay, so next I'm going to take the IMAN Volumizing Mascara, and I'm going to apply this on my lashes. Now I do have on mink lash extensions, but when I do my makeup, I do like to put on just a tad bit of mascara to help add some volume and to make them pop. You can apply a lot more mascara than I'm going to today. I'm only putting just a tad bit on the tips of my lashes, so that way I don't disturb or mess up my mink lashes. I'm also going to apply it on my bottom lashes as well, and as you can see, as soon as I put it on, it really does help to make your lashes pop. And it's a black too. Not all mascaras look black, but this one is a true black. So last but not least, for this very glowy natural look, I'm going to take the color Assassin, and this is one of their new matte lipsticks, and I'm going to put this on my lips. It's a very pretty, like, edgy nude color to me. On me, it comes off a little bit darker than I think it would on someone of a darker complexion, but it is very pretty. I think it complements my skin tone very well, and I definitely think that it would complement someone with a more deeper, redder complexion very well as well. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!